Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be today we will learn about mixed reference. It is our next topic in self reference. So let's get started. Basically, mixed reference is a mixture of absolute reference and relative reference. In this, we will learn how to log rows and columns by using the F4 key. So uh, let's get started. First of all, is equal. We need to multiply 10 by 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we need 10 to multiply to these all the numbers, and to multiply this we will be locking one column which is 4. So E4 sorry is equal to E4 F4. Now press key F4. Yeah, okay. Now multiply, and now we will be locking the uh, row, mm, row 3 F3. Now we will drag it. As we can see that the number 10 is multiplied to all these number in the row 3. And now if we want to multiply these four number with these 5 number, we will using the same formula as these number are also in the row E, and these number are already logged in in lane 3. So if we want to multiply these number with these number, uh, we we need we need we we will just need to drag it to the bottom, and here we got our answers. And if we want to if we want to uh, check the formulas, we will be click show formula. Yes, as we can see, it just logs as it just locks the column E, and it changes frequently as we drag it to bottom or side. It changes the number frequently. It the number in the second row, the row 3 is locked, and it multiplies, and it changes frequently when we drag it to another side or uh, bottom. So thank you guys for watching my video. I will be back with another video soon.